The Rise of the Robots by Martin Ford. The development of technology and robotics will affect the world of work and the economy in the future. Technological advances such as artificial intelligence and robotics will replace a large number of human jobs, especially routine and repetitive jobs that can be done by machines. Advances in technology and robotics will change production procedures and provide higher efficiency. For example, in the manufacturing industry, robots can take over tasks such as assembling products, lifting and moving heavy objects, and performing repetitive work with high accuracy. This can improve production efficiency and reduce production costs, but it can also reduce the number of jobs available to human workers. In the agricultural sector, technologies such as automated tractors, drones, and soil sensors can replace human work in planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. In the transportation sector, autonomous cars and drones can reduce the number of jobs available to drivers and couriers. In addition, the use of technology can also lead to increased economic inequality between high-skilled workers and low-skilled workers. One of the skills that are difficult to replace by machines is interpersonal skills, such as the ability to communicate well, work together in a team, and build good relationships with customers or clients. These skills are especially important in the service and business sectors, where people are still a key factor in the success of a company. In addition, humans must also improve their abilities in creativity and innovation.